Hi, this is Brother Teacher once again. I would like to take this opportunity to invite you to a self defense seminar and workshop in which I will be your instructor. It will take place in the city of Cincinnati, state of Ohio, on October 20th. That is a Sunday, 2019. It is scheduled for 3 hours. It begins at 12 o'clock noon. Please be on time. And it should end approximately at 3 o'clock p.m. I am the founder of the Jenindo martial arts system. I have been in the martial arts the vast majority of my life, almost 50 years. I've studied numerous disciplines: Chinese, Korean, Japanese, and then some. In this particular seminar, you will be gaining knowledge, experience from all of those disciplines, synthesized with the most important aspects of those systems in this seminar. You will learn how to defend yourself against most common attacks in a street confrontation. You will learn to defend yourself against an armed opponent with a knife and or gun and a stick. You will learn that. Things that most instructors will not teach you in entirety. Some instructors like to do skits, they like to do plays, but that's not martial arts. Everything has a place. That's not self-defense. We are talking about brass tacks. Please comprehend and understand what I'm about to tell you now. It's this: the world in which we live is real. It is comprised of good and bad elements. We have to equip ourselves to protect ourselves and our loved ones against those bad elements when it comes down to it. So, you need to have a solid foundation in self defense. You don't have to be a martial artist per se. You don't have to be someone who has studied martial arts for 20, 30 years to come to this seminar. What you need to do is have a willing mind, be serious, be enthusiastic, leave your egos outside of the door, and come as a student. I am the instructor that day. I will have assistants there from my own system. I don't want someone to try to come to the seminar to tell me how to teach them. I am very people savvy. I am very people oriented. I have dealt with people the vast majority of my life in both business and in the martial arts and in nursing. So I know how to deal with you, the individual, and I'm going to do just that, take you as an individual. If you have limitations, I will work through your limitations and your weaknesses in the seminar. I'm not going to force you to do something that I know you're not capable of doing, but I am going to push you. I'm going to encourage you, and I'm going to give you some admonition when it is necessary and let you know, if you step outside of that door, that training facility that you will find yourself, you need to have the confidence that you have some tools to protect yourself against a would-be assailant. We all hope, we pray that we will never have to use our skills, that we will never have to encounter violence in the street situation, but somebody does every few seconds across this planet. There's always violent events taking place. There are always people being robbed, mugged, attacked, raped, and the list goes on. So, will you be one of those individuals? God forbid. We hope you would not. But someone is being assaulted right now as I'm speaking and doing this video. So, let's not let it be you who becomes the victim next time. Instead, you want to be victorious. At least you want to have an edge. You want to have a level playing field. You want to even be better than a level playing field, because if you sharpen your tools, the tools that you're giving in a self-defense seminar and workshop, you have confidence. Not being braggadocious, not being cocky, but confident. So I look forward to seeing you, those of you that can make it. If you have any questions, any further inquiries, please contact me at the phone number that is listed in the comment section. Leave your questions and your inquiries there as well. If you can't make it, I understand, I comprehend that. But if you can make it and you're around the Cincinnati area or within Cincinnati, do yourself a favor, do your family a favor, and learn how to protect yourself. Everyone can't carry a firearm or a gun, but the one thing that we always have with us are our own tools, our bodies. We must learn how to use them effectively when the need arises. So the cost of the seminar is $35. I am catering to everyone, from the person who has little income to the person that has much, and I'm keeping it the same across the board. You are not going to learn what I'm going to be sharing with you on this day from anyone else for $35. It's never going to happen. Seminars of this sort usually range in the hundreds of dollars, sometimes thousands. This is Grandmaster Stroud. This is Brother Teacher, your friend, your confidant, looking for you on October the 20th, 2019. Take care of yourself and yours. I'll see you in the next video. So long.